All right, sports fans, how you doing? Back again. All righty. All right, so we're going to continue on with trying to finish off this Fokker D.VII, Balsa USA Fokker D.VII. I'm at the point where I'm trying to finish up the wing so that I can get it covered, and pretty much the wing is done. What I just did the other day is I built the servo mounts for the ailerons that go in that bolt to the bottom of the wings. One, two, and I've got my two servos here, high-tech 645 metal gears, and I think those are absolutely more than sufficient. The specs are overall speed 0.24 seconds per 60 degrees at 4.8 volts. Output torque 107 ounce-inches at 4.8 volts. And I'm going to run 6 volts. So I am sure that is way more than enough. Because according to El Book O Popular, aileron 70 inch ounce, one for each aileron. Rudder 120. Elevator 70 inch ounce. One for each side if using split elevators, 120 inch ounce if using a single servo. So I'm going to use I'm going to use two servos anyway. So in this case, it's not an issue. I guess I should talk about the elephant in the room, and that's this camera up here. If you can see this, I'm trying something new. I'm trying to do some multi-view, multi-angle type stuff. I'm trying to keep my head as still as possible. I don't think I'm succeeding very well, because I'm sure if I start doing this, anyone looking at this video is going to be like, I'm sick. But in any case, those are the servos I'm using. In the rest of the plane, oddly enough, I do have these 5 645s, which are the digital version of the same servo. HS5 645 metal gear, programmable, blah, 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 blah. Operating speed 0.24 seconds at 60 degrees at 4.8 volts. Output torque 143 ounce-inches at 4.8. So I debated about using these also in the ailerons to keep everything consistent. But I was like, well, you know, it's overkill. I don't need digital servos. And these two are well over the 70 inch ounce-inch recommended anyway. And I'm going to run them at 6 volts anyway. So I'll just use the analog ones for the ailerons. I do need to get these mounted to the wing. So let me go get the wing panels. I'll be back. Okay, here are the two wing panels. Like I said, they're pretty much done. I just need to put the cut out, probably, I think it's this bay here. I need to cut out the cap strip, put the mounting brace in for the servo cover, and be on my way. Then it should be ready to cover, I believe. You probably noticed on this other wing panel, I have a little bit of hanger damage there and there. Like I said, this project has been sitting down for, I'm absolutely amazed that it's been almost 4 years that I've had a chance to work on this. Pretty much work and mostly work, other things in life got involved. I would have, if you had asked me without me going back and checking my build thread on the RC Universe, I probably would have said, oh, it's been about a couple of years. Absolutely amazing. But that is what I'm going to do now. I'm going to repair this, It's not too difficult. The hardest part is that there is a curve here because, of course, it being curved around that leading edge. And here, I actually even debated about, since this is going to be covered with material anyway, but so what the hell? Why would I leave that like that and for it to vibrate and make noise and, you know, bug me later on knowing that I know it's there. I'm trying not to cut corners because I really want to get this done. But at the same time, I have this much time, effort, and energy invested in it, so might as well do it right. All right. So that is the next step. I had to go back and look at the plans for where that servo mounting plate goes because they do not show it in the step-by-step instructions. So I had the plans. Where did I put them? I was trying to do a little bit of cleanup. If you're looking at the GoPro video, you probably couldn't tell that I have cleaned up a good amount because my workshop is still a mess. Oops. All right, here are the plans. All right, so this panel shows this panel shows the detail. I'm hoping I got that right. Looks good enough for government work to me. So again, this is a rib, and you can see the let me move this down so hopefully you can see that better. You can see the cap strip is trimmed away, and then there's basswood that needs to be mounted right beneath there, so this guy will sit flush. It doesn't show it on this sheet, but it does show it that on this sheet. Stay. All right, so the other one, I guess, like so. Boom. And I'm guessing I'm going to have to do some trimming to get this to fit in my wing panel. So, all right, so that's what I'm going to do now. I really doubt that you want to sit and watch me do that. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I will come back and carry on with the next step. The next step, just thinking ahead of time, is really, I'm at the covering stage. So I'm thinking at this point in time, I'm going to get myself set up to cover the wing and cover the fuselage. I do have a minor repair to make on the fuselage also. Again, there's that hanger rash thing. I'll show you that. Actually, I need to clean this table off because the fuse will barely fit on this table when it's empty. So before I can get it up here, I need to clean this table off, this bench off. But in any case, I'm going to go and get these servo mounts mounted and glued into place, and I'll be back. I will probably, yeah, I'll do that and I'll be back. All right, bye. See ya.